Happy New Year and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, January 1, 2026. All right, we all got to get used to writing, 2026 on our checks and in our documents. And yeah, I just dated myself by saying checks. That's okay. I'm old. Getting straight into it. Last night, Robert and I collaborated on dinner. We shared tasks, had a great time. She prepared smoked paprika chicken. I made it several months ago and I had to have her try it, and I believe she is happy that she did. I'm getting a big thumbs up from across the room. And then I also made beautifully smooth mashed potatoes, because I'm using mashed potatoes for one of the items that we're going to be preparing later on. Yeah, and then I kind of put a little veggie medley together and had fun with it. Corn, peas, carrots, simmered in chicken stock, and added some herbs and some spice and it was excellent meal. Today, being New Year's Day and a holiday, Robin is home. She's not working today. First, I'm going to start off by I'm going to be putting a hummus together. Now, this is the trick here. Not a trick. This is kind of a major twist. Standard hummus without tahini, and in place of the tahini, get this, peanut butter. Now, I will be adding, as the recipe says, a splash of sesame oil. The reason why I'm trying this is I am tired of buying tahini at $7, $8, $9 a thing and only using it once. Yeah, I think you understand that. The next thing Robin's going to take care of and prepare. This is a recipe that came from one of her co-workers. It's simple. We call this the original hot artichoke dip. It is yummy. It's very simple. It originally started out as a can of artichokes, can of this. Everything was based on the standard 14 or 14 and a half ounce can. So we got that coming later on. And then the mashed potatoes, I found this little recipe. Cheesy mashed potato pancakes. Oh. So that's why I made a big bowl of nice and smooth mashed potatoes. So that's what we're having for the day. And we got some leftovers going on in there. And we got, little other bits and bites that we can do. But yep, no actual dinner here in the Tomoza household and in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So what are you doing for New Year's Day? If it's sleeping, I get it. Totally get it. It's a great nap day. Or you're gonna watch the parade, you're gonna watch the Rose Bowl. All right. So on this New Year's Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.